Hello student, today we will learn science standard 5th. Take out your pulse textbook semester 2 standard 5th. Now today we will learn chapter number 7 changes in our environment. In the last video we had completed this chapter. Now today we will learn textbook and worksheet exercise. Get started. So first textbook exercise, read and answer. Question number A, take the correct answer. Number 1, the increases in the number of factories and vehicles has resulted in the increase of option A, carbon dioxide, option B, water vapor, option C, methane, and option D, oxygen. So correct answer, carbon dioxide. Number 2, the Earth's atmosphere is a blanket of dust particle, water vapor, wool, gases. So correct answer, gases. Number 3, which of the following gases is not greenhouse gas? Correct answer, oxygen. Number 4, the change in climate is leading to the correct answer, all the above. Melting of ice at the pole, rise in water level of ocean, and frequent flooding of place near the sea, all the above. Okay. Number 5, trees help to clean the monument, water, air, land. Correct answer, air. Question number B, match the column. Number 1, spilling of oil into the sea. Correct answer, harmful for water animals and plants. Number 2, melting of a polar ice cap, effect of global warming. Animal give out these gas, methane, CFCs, refrigerators. The process of the earth getting heated, global warming. Done. Now question number C, write short answers. Number 1, what is a greenhouse? Correct answer, a greenhouse is a glass house where plants are grown in winter. It is kept warm by sunlight so that plants get enough warmth. Question number 2, what are greenhouse gases? Correct answer, gases which form a covering in the atmosphere and do not allow the heat to escape are called greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide and methane are examples of greenhouse gases. Question number 3, what do you mean by pollution? Correct answer, pollution is the spoiling of a land, air and water. Number 4, how are certain monuments getting affected because of a pollution? Correct answer, the while marble of the Taj Mahal in Agra is turning yellow because of the chemicals given out by factories around it. Question number 5, what is a global warming? Correct answer, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the heat of the sun, causing a rise in temperature on the earth. This is called global warming. Done. Now question number D, answer these questions. Number 1, how can we prevent pollution of air and water? Correct answer, we can prevent the pollution of air and water by A. Locating factories in an area away from place where people live. Number 2, by using tall chimneys fitted with filter in factories. Number C, by treating waste before being dumped into water bodies. Number D, by throwing garbage from house at proper dumping places. Number E, by reducing the use of plastic bags. A, by planting more trees. By restricting the use of vehicles. H, by reducing our need and recycling what we have. Question number 2, what should the government do to prevent pollution? Answer, the government has to take steps to frame regulation like restricting the use of vehicles and electricity, banning plastic bags, etc. Question number 3. How can rubber be recycled? Answer. Used tire can be cut into shape of a swing seat, climbing frame, and rubber slippers or chappals. Old truck tire are recycled to make playground surface, pencil pouches, and diary cover. Question number 4. How can metal be recycled? Answer. Metals object can be recycled by reusing some old things. Also, they are clean, shredded, melted, and reshaped into new things. Question number E. Think and answer. Number 1. Destruction of rainforest lead to global warming. How? Answer. Destruction of rainforest lead to global warming because carbon dioxide keep on increasing due to laser green plants, which are the main consumers of carbon dioxide. Due to this, more heat will be trapped in the atmosphere and the temperature of the earth will also increase. Number 2. Humans are responsible for global warming. Give reason. Answer. Man is partly responsible for global warming because he has changed grassland into farmland. Forests have been cut down to build colonies and factories are set up every day to meet increasing demand. The number of vehicles also increasing day by day. All these activities have disturbed the balance in nature leading to the global warming. Question number 3. If a factory is located near a river, how does it affect the people live close by? Answer. If a factory is located near a river, the wastewater released by the factories will pollute this water. This will affect the people living close by. Infection disease like a typhoid and cholera can be contracted by drinking contaminated water. If polluted water is consumed regularly, the human's heart and kidney can be adversely affected. The food chain can also be damaged by polluted water. Okay, dear student, understood? Done. So, dear student, textbook exercise complete. Now, worksheet exercise. Question number A. Write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Our environment consists of living or non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. Answer T. T for true. Number 2. We live in the some environment where our grandparents live. F. Human activities are disturbing the wildlife habitat. True. Oxygen has the property of trapping heat of the sun. False. Carbon dioxide and methane are greenhouse gases. True. Filling the blanks. Number 1. The Earth's atmosphere is a blanket of gases. Number 2. A greenhouse is a glass houses where we grow plants. Number 3. Ozone is found is the stratosphere. Number 4. Pollution means the spoiling of land, air and water. Number 5. Trees help to keep the air clean. Now question number C. Answer these questions. Number 1. How do human beings change the environment to suit their need? Answer. Human beings have changed the grasslands into farmland. Forests have been cut down to build colonies and factories. Wildlife habitat has been reduced. Question number 2. Name 3 greenhouses gases. Answer. Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapors. Question number 3. Explain the greenhouses effect. Answer. Some gases have the properties of trapping heat of the sun. They do not allow the heat to escape back into space. This makes the earth warmer. This is called greenhouse. देखो कुछ गैसेस की प्रॉपर्टी ऐसी है कि वो सन की हीट को ट्रैप कर सकते हैं और दे डू नॉट अलाउ द हीट टू एस्केप बैक टू द स्पेस। फिर वो क्या करते हैं, वो जो गैसेस वो जो गैस हीट सन की हीट जो आती है वो क्या करते हैं, स्पेस में उसको वापस बैक नहीं जाने देते, वो क्या करते हैं, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और वो हमारी अर्थ को वार्म रखते हैं। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वेयर आर CFCs यूज? Answer: CFCs are used in refrigerators, air conditioners and in many other industrial process. CFCs. Number 5, why should we reuse and recycle certain materials? Answer: we should reuse and recycle certain materials to reduce the um, accumulations of waste like metals, paper, cloth, plastic, etc. in landfills. Okay, understood. So complete this chapter. So dear student, today we will learn chapter number 7, changes in our environment. And now today's homework, textbook exercise, write down in your science notebook. It is your homework. Dear student, textbook exercise write down in your notebook as well as textbook, and worksheet exercise write down in your only worksheet. It is your homework. Okay student, understood? Thank you.